Hello everyone and welcome to PC Tips Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to make your Windows cursor look really cool using something called the Sweezey Cursor Pack. So what exactly is Sweezey Cursor? It is a custom mouse cursor pack that brings a sleek, modern and super clean look to your Windows setup. Whether you're a gamer, a designer or just someone who likes their setup looking sharp, this one's for you. To get started, head over to your browser and just search for Sweezy Cursors. Click on that and then just click on this link. And here you will arrive at this interface. I'll even leave the link to this in the description box so you can go and check that out. Now, once you've arrived here, just go down and as you can see, there are multiple packs to choose from. You have anime, gradient, games, memes, cartoons, and many more. Now, once you're done exploring, just pick any cursor pack and then you can choose from all these cursor packs and pick your favorite. Now, once you've selected your favorite cursor pack, you can see this download button. So, click on that and then just go down and click on this complete pack option. Now, once you're done downloading the cursor pack, you need to extract the zip file. So, just select your zip file and right click on it and then click on extract all, then just click on extract. And now once you're done extracting, now you need to head over to the control panel in order to apply that cursor. So just click on it and then in the search box just type for mouse settings and then here just click on change mouse settings, and once this pop-up box appears just click on pointers. Then from here, click on Browse. And then from here, you need to head over to the file where your cursor pack is stored. So just open that. And from here, you can choose the cursor pack which you want to use. So just click on that and click on Open. Once you've chosen that, just click on Open. And now in the Customize section, you can see your new cursor. So select that and then click on OK. And well, there you go. There is your new cursor. Well, that's it. You've got a super cool Windows cursor that stands out from the boring default. And if you want to take it a step further, pair this with a cursor pack with a minimalist wallpaper or a matching theme from Rainmeter or Lively wallpaper. It really ties the whole aesthetic together. So if you like this video, hit that like button and please do not forget to subscribe to PC Tips Pro for more useful tech tips. And if you have any queries regarding this video, do make sure to put them in the comments box. Thank you and have a nice day.